Every video editor needs a set of tools to work efficiently. Imagine having a magic wand that enhances your editing process. These 3 tools will do just that. Let's see how they can help. Video Compressor. If you need to send videos to clients or colleagues, and many messengers don't allow large file transfers, you'll need to compress your file to avoid size issues. This tool reduces video size by up to 10% without losing quality. You can send high-quality videos via email or share them on social media without worrying about file size. I recommend compressing videos to above 50% of their original size to maintain quality. Click OK and compress, then wait for result. Video Converter. This tool supports over 1000 formats and helps convert videos for any device or platform. Need to convert a phone video MOV to MP4? Simply drag and drop the file or select it from your computer. Supported formats include MP4, MKV, MOV, MP3, WAV, and more. For example, for this video, you can choose MP4 NHD 1080p. Then click Convert. AI Video Enhancer. This powerful tool automatically enhances the quality of your videos if you have old or low quality recordings. AI Video Enhancer can fix issues like blurriness, noise, and low resolution, making your videos clearer or brighter. First, select AI Video Enhancer, then add your video. Choose a model and resolution you need, and let the AI do the rest. And you just need to download the improved video. Download Wanna Share Unique Converter from the link in the description. Ali was with you. See you next time.